If you're trying to make money online in 2026 and you're still doing everything manually, you're playing the game on hard mode. I used to spend hours writing posts, emails, captions, scripts. Now I use one AI tool and it does 80% of the work in minutes. Posts, emails, videos, content ideas, all done. The people winning online right now aren't working harder, they're using leverage. If you want the exact tools and prompts I use every day, hit subscribe. I'm showing everything.
So you probably heard I created the Elite Power Community, right? And you're probably wondering what it's all about. And really what it's about is me helping you be the best you that you could possibly be as a marketer, online networker, whatever, right? But my goal is to create more 5, 6, and 7 figure earners and in rapid time, and I'm not playing. So I want you to take a look at what's been going on just recently with a community that's only a month or two old and already be over 600 members strong. And I want you to see just what's been going on and what you can come to expect when you join the Elite Power community. So as you can see, we over 600 strong. Okay, we got over 600 members. We've been at this for over, it's a little bit over two months now, and you can already see it's pretty active. We got a lot going on, a lot of different activity and training. But the main thing is that we are a powerful community of like-minded entrepreneurs and people that want to make money online and want to learn the proper ways to do it. So you can see we have a classroom right here full of content. Okay, we do weekly team trainings, and now I'm about to update that and take that to the next level and make it where we're going to be doing trainings throughout the week. I normally do this once a week, but now we're going to be doing them throughout the week. Okay, and we're talking about not no fluffy PLR products. As you can see, all of these are trainings that I've done or people that I respect in the field that have done and have things to offer, right? And these are things that you're going to really be able to get some real value out of, right? Like this direct outreach. We're teaching you how to be able to reach out to people, on social media and things like that. And then, my Elite University, of course, I packed up in there where I got courses, from the Elite University as well. YouTube University. I call this where we actually put courses from people that's known and, things that you can find on YouTube. But now you don't have to go to YouTube to go searching for this stuff. I'm going to be putting them in here, and it's giving you that news that you can use right here, within the classroom. And it's going to be from YouTube. Then, we got Facebook training right here, teaching you, how to, do Facebook ads and, everything that comes with that. Okay. We got Instagram training right here, and I'm going to load this up with training today. Actually, that's why you see it coming soon. But the Instagram training is going to be very, very in-depth and powerful, and it's going to have training for Android and Apple, and teach you everything that you need to know about Instagram, basically from how to get started, but also how to monetize and how to reach out to influence and things to do so. So that'll be in here today. We have the TikTok training, okay? Everything you need to know about TikToks. Even right now, they just started the new TikTok shop, and people are really killing it with that. And we're going to show you how to be able to, make money with that, and be able to take advantage and not just have to do, stupid dances and trending, weird trends. You don't have to do that. You can actually utilize TikTok for business as well. We got YouTube training, of course, where I teach you how to rank on the front page of YouTube, which is how I actually became a 6-figure earner and was able to rebuild my brand. I did it through Facebook and YouTube, and YouTube is a real big part of that. We're going to be having AI marketing education that we're going to be adding. We're going to have tools and softwares that you can use and be able to download. All right. Credit repair course. So again, this isn't just about marketing, right? We want every aspect of making money, and one of the best ways or the quickest ways to start making money is to build your credit, right? That way you can start using other people's money to make your money, right? So we're going to teach you how to do that. And this isn't, again, no fluffiness. To show you how to get $10,000 lines of credit right here, how to get approved for a $5,000 credit card, how to get approved for a $25,000 line of credit, all these different things right here. And we're going to teach you how to do them all right, with our credit repair course. I also have luxury brands where you're going to be able to know how to find, luxury brands and be able to go directly to the factories that basically create these things. From purses to shoes to anything luxury. My Elite Smart Card, and then of course this is just what you see right now. This is going to be evergreen. You're going to see more courses being added. We have a gamification process where, people can come and earn points, and they're earning these points how? By doing what they should be doing anyways. Being active in the community, helping out with comments and liking and posts and things like that, and responding. And because of that, they get points, and then these points will unlock different features. Like, for instance, you get to level 9, you get a free Elite Smart Card. Okay, and for those that don't know, that's a digital business card that you tap on any phone using NFC technology. You tap on any phone and instantly share your information, kind of like when you tap your phone on when you're checking out at the line and then you pay for your stuff. Same thing, but instead of paying for things, you're going to be sharing your data information, not data, but sharing your information as far as like your business name or your phone number or website, so forth and so on. Okay, so what you can see also is our community is pretty active. You can just search for anything and you can find it. So you say, oh, I want to know more about Facebook, right? You can just put Facebook, and anything that has to do with Facebook will pop up. See, first post tips of Facebook, accountability time, teaching about Facebook right there. Just anything that has to do with Facebook, it'll show up. And then, just that's how everything is laid out. So it's easy to find things. You go TikTok, shows you how to boost engagement, so certain things like that. We also run competitions for people doing what they're supposed to do. You see someone that won, this smart tracking phone holder that I did, right? And I gave away. And again, just for doing what you're supposed to do, these are the type of things that can happen. And just to show you the type of, already that people are starting to have success, because I remember I told you I'm going to be creating for 4, 5, 6, and 7-figure earners, right? So we go to the social proof tab, and again, we're just getting started. But I had taught a print-on-demand course, right? And that print-on-demand taught you how to create images using AI, and then be able to put them on products, and then be able to sell them. So you can see that people have already took action, right? And this guy, he made a Tumblr, which is awesome. Jason did his thing. I mean, he's been doing awesome. I'm really gonna dive in, but I just wanted to show you just how quick and people are starting to have success. So look right here, he got 7 sales already, and he already posted up his thing on Etsy, and you can see right here he's already winning. Congratulations, you got your first sale. Because I teach you that as well. I'm teaching you that it's not just about recruiting and sending links out all day. All right, this person was able to create their first shirt. I mean, look at that. Where do you go from not knowing how to design anything, and then you go to this? And the cool thing about it is, once you learn it, you can't unlearn what you've learned. You can't unsee what you see and saw, right? So you see people here winning. I taught them how to be able to make shirts for winning high school football teams, and then be able to sell it to them, right? So how many people you think will want to have this shirt versus the regular plain shirts they usually get in their school, right? If you're a bird lover. So again, you see people are taking action, actually doing what's being taught. Okay, you can see that people are actually winning, right? You see people actually winning, having success, and that's what it's all about. Okay, and I want to actually even showcase one of my people right here after a week. Okay, after a week of learning this, look what he did. He put a store together with over 96 different products, and look how great this looks. Honestly, like, I'm giving up my secrets. People know I'm the king of branding. Now you guys see, like, wow, I can actually brand myself like Juan does now, because he's giving up the juice. And you can see right there it is, right there in real time. And he's taking massive action, and it's what he was able to create within a week of learning the training. So now, after a week later, he has his own store with tons of products, going after tons of different niches, because that's what I teach you. We're not gonna put yourself in the box. So now he got stuff for schools, he's got stuff for marketers, he's got stuff for people that love Star Wars. Like, man, look, people that love the barbecue. Very, very, very smart. And all of that was done 100% from the training and what he's learned within our community. So, yep, we also have a calendar that makes it real easy to find, any team trainings or anything like that. Like, we actually have one coming up tomorrow, and you just click on the calendar. You can see exactly what the training is all about, how to access the training, takes you right there. It just makes everything way more streamlined, way more easier to navigate through, and you're also going to get alerted when these trainings are coming up. So for instance, you'll be back here and you'll see, like right here, it says Online Recruiting Formula Part 2, right? So we're going to be going over Fraser Brooks' Online Recruiting Formula and just really breaking it down and masterminding on it, right? So that happens in 33 hours, which is tomorrow. And then this will be in red when we actually are on live. And you can just click that. If you came back and say, oh, I didn't even know that was going on. And then you click it, and then boom, it takes you right to it, right? So this is going to make it real easy to stay abreast of what's actually going on, stay accountable, and not get lost in the sauce. That's why we moved off of Facebook and off all the other platforms, and not being in a million different places, because we want to make sure that you know exactly, where we're at and how to find us, and making it streamlined so you're all in one place. So I highly recommend that you come join us, and be a part of our community. I'd love to have you within it. Okay, you can get started for just going to joinnow.vip and seeing exactly what our community has to offer, what it's all about, and just really come and join the Winning Squad, Team Elite. So if you want to be a part of this community, go to joinnow.vip and we'll get you going inside and help you be able to become the best you that you could possibly be. My goal is to help you reach all your goals and become the next top burner and hit those leaderboards like you see me do on the daily. All right, so let's get it. Go to joinnow.vip and join the Elite Power community. See what we all about, and let's get this money like a boss. Peace.
Don't forget to grab Elite Power Community through the link below, so you can also claim those exclusive bonuses. They're only available for purchases made through this link. Click the link below